Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate Halifax Card online. So stick towards the end of the video in order to find out how. First of all, open your web browser on your computer or your mobile devices. You may also go ahead and open your Halifax application. Once you end up in this screen, go ahead and type in halifax.co.uk/activate. Soon after you do that, you will end up in this web page from where you can directly activate your credit card. You can use the mobile banking application and follow these steps, or if you want to go ahead and activate it online, click on this online form guide. Now click on the activate your credit card button. Remember that you will need to enter your credit card number, your date of birth, the expiry date for the credit card, and other information such as your social security number and your personal details. Soon after you see this kind of an interface, go ahead and enter your credit card number in the text box. Make sure to enter the same credit card number you are trying to activate. Once done, go ahead and select your date of birth and the expiry date for the card and click on activate. You'll also need to enter your last 4 digits of social security number. I hope the information helps you in order to activate your Halifax credit card. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.